Hi, it's Davey with Fire Unboxing. I got a new box today, and I am pleased to let y'all know that I was able to wait to open this box so we could look at it together, be surprised together. I got my Friends box. I'm so excited over getting this box. It finally came in. So what this box is, it is a quarterly subscription. Sorry, I could not think of the word, dear John. I'm a mess. It's a quarterly subscription. It's about $45. I'd have to check my account. $45, $50. The first box you get a $10. Well, I did. I'm going on 2 years, so it's over a year old. But at the time, I got a $10 coupon, so it was like 40 bucks. You always get at least, goodness, you could get 6 to 10 items, and I always get like 8. I'd have to look at my cards to double check, but you can get things from Funko Pops to cups, kitchenware, clothes, apparel. I've gotten socks, dish towels, blankets, what did else? I mean, you name it, and it comes in this box. My Marcel came in this box. My monkey, Ross Geller's monkey. And so every box is different on the outside. This is a couple of them that I've received. And this is one of the bigger ones. So the boxes on the outside are always different. That's why I keep them. Now this one came slightly damaged, but that's okay. This is the first time that one's ever came like that. I mean, it's not even that bad. Not a big deal. So as you can see, it's themed depending on what season and episode. So this one says, they don't know that we know that they know. That's when Chandler and Monica started seeing each other, and everybody gradually started figuring it out. And then this one, you ate my sandwich. And that's when Ross's boss ate his Thanksgiving sandwich with the moist maker. So, like I said, every box is different. And so without further ado, I'm going to get my trusty, handy-dandy razor, and we're going to crack this baby open. Now, on Instagram, they will post spoilers, and on Facebook, they'll post one. So I know, because I asked some of my fellow subscribers, I asked them if they got the spoilers, and one sent me a picture of them. So I know what 3 items in this box is. So I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. The rest of it, I have no idea. It's going to be a surprise to me, as it is for y'all. So let's try, and we will open this sucker and discover what is in it. So if you want to check these out, you'll go to Culturefly.com, and they have more than just the Friends box. Like I said, they've got Seinfeld, they've got boxes for kids. Go check out their website though. I mean, it is pretty cool. So I get a flyer, and this is the first time this has come in. But this is what it is, y'all. You go to Culturefly.com, and it shows you all the boxes. Like JoJo, I think I'm going to subscribe to that for my granddaughter for her birthday, possibly, and send it to her after I unbox it. Because I'd like to do a video, and y'all can see what's in the box. And that's their newest box. My granddaughter also loves Miraculous. She calls it Ladybug. But inside, it shows you the boxes. And it also shows you various items that can come in the box. So, I mean, I think this is pretty cool. This is the first time they have sent us this. We haven't gotten one of these in our boxes. See? From your favorite TV shows to kid boxes. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. Now, I'm not sure. I would assume that these boxes would cost the same as my friend's box, but I don't know. So, that's what's on top of the box when you first open it. So we'll put that to the side. So this, I'm going to try to do this, y'all, because I'm doing this. It's a pretty large box. So this is what it looks like, and this is the card. I've had cards that look like this before, but I save it. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box. All right, so the first item is cheese board. How cool is that? They don't know that we know that they know. So what that means is in one of the episodes, Chandler and Monica start seeing each other after Ross's wedding. And everybody gradually finds out. And Phoebe and Rachel are plotting against Chandler and Monica to get them to admit they're seeing each other. And Joey knows and doesn't want to know. Doesn't want to keep the secret no more. It's hilarious. Alright, so this is the friend's cutting board. Of course, I will not use this cutting board. It's got a hole. And it's got the logo. And it's etched in there. That's cool. That is a pretty thick cutting board too. So I will hang that up in my kitchen. Because it's kitchen apparel. And there ain't nobody using this cutting board. We have a bunch. Next item. That is one of the items that I knew about. And this is the other item that I knew about. So we will crack this baby open. And I save all these boxes. I save all my boxes. I save all my cards. And each card tells you on the back. So when I'm done, we will look at the back of that card. I should have thought this through better. Oh shoot. I hate styrofoam. Dear John. Ooh, this is nice too. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh. That matches my kitchen. That's red. Oh, that'll go on my shelf with the rest of them. I have one that has all their names on it. I think I have a problem, y'all. What is it that y'all collect out there? What is it that you really do like to collect? So this is a wine tumbler. The picture don't do it justice. Look at that. That's the picture, but that's the actual glass. That is pretty cool. I was trying to see how many ounces it was so y'all could have maybe a better idea. But I don't see it, y'all. I think I need to go back to the eye doctor. Alrighty then. But is that not cool? I'm going to use it too. I'll drink wine out of that. I don't care. I don't even like wine. Alright. So let's do the third item that I knew about. This is cool. There ain't nobody using it either but me. Is that not awesome? It is a now it's standard. And it is a sandwich box for your lunch. And of course it has the logo. I love when it has the logo on it. But it says you ate my sandwich, and all the pigeons in the park go fluttering around. And it has it on the back. But isn't that cool? That's really neat. It's like a lime green color. It looks yellow to me in the camera. But it's lime green in person, I think. Or either I've done went colorblind, I don't know. I'm telling y'all I'm a mess. Very easy to open. It's dishwasher safe, microwave safe. Now that's cool. I use my microwave a lot. Alright, so that was the third item that I knew about. No, that's a big lie. I'm sorry. The wine glass and the cutting board they showed together. So I thought that came together, but that is two separate items. So, then the sandwich box. And then I knew about this. It's a floor mat. This is how it came in the box. And of course, I'm going to use it, so I'm taking the tag off. And then my granddaughter loves playing with them. Alright, so this is going to go in front of my shower because I'm the only one that uses that little shower. I don't know if, there you go. Is that not cool? It's the pivot episode. And I think I've explained that in previous videos where Ross is hollering pivot and then Chandler says to shut up. This is a very well made mat. It's very high quality, very soft. I like that. And like I said, if you don't believe me, go on Amazon, Hot Topic, all those other websites and see. And I'm telling y'all, I've never come across, I've come across mats. I've got a couple in my kitchen. I've never come across one that looks like this. It's different. And of course, it's got the Friends logo. That's one of my favorites. Definitely going to use that. All right, now this is awesome. This is one of my favorite things is when we get apparel because, like I've said, and 50% of my closet in there, I've got pajamas, shoes, socks, slippers, sweats. You name it, and I've got a lot of clothes that say Friends on it. All right, so, and I wear them all. I'm telling you, every time I do a Friends video, I will have a different shirt on, just so y'all can see. So this is cool, but it kind of sucks because it's fixing to be summer and it's going to be probably too hot to wear it. But it is a bomber jacket, and it is bright yellow, and I want y'all to check this out. It says Friends on the pull, zipper pull, and it is also, it's not cloth, it is a rubber zipper pull. It says Friends on the chest. And it is, what size did they send me? I'm always curious. A medium. Okay. So I want y'all to know that in women's clothes I wear medium to large because they fit weird. I don't know why they make them so weird. And in men's, I wear small to medium. So I just said medium. But everything that I've gotten, sweaters, jerseys, robes, they've all fit great. Even too big. But I don't care. I'm not that picky. And it's bright yellow, and it's got the Central Perk sign on the back. Now, how awesome is that? Oh my gosh, y'all just don't know. I'm so excited. I'm such a goober. Oh, let's see. Does it have? Yeah, okay, it does have pockets. You never know. Stuff is made weird. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. That fits nice. Oh yeah, zip that up and oh yeah, that's nice. Ooh. And I stay cold. This would be a nice light jacket to go sit out on the porch in. It's a little big, but I love it. So what is that? 3, 4. This is 5 items so far. Looks like we've got 2 more in the box. So this is awesome. Couch bookends. Are you serious? So I guess I can give Billy my old bookends now that I got new bookends. That's awesome. I want y'all to check this out. And it's wood. It's made out of wood. Has the Friends logo on the bottom, and it looks like the Central Perk couch. How cool is that? That's awesome. I just love it. That's just awesome. See, that's what I'm talking about. You never know what you're going to get. You really don't. So 7 items in my box this time, which is fine. I mean, that's great. I've never once have I seen Central Perk couch bookends. That's awesome. I'm happy with this box. All right, so last but not least, I think I'll cry. So this is a whiteboard and marker set. That's pretty cool. And if you notice, which I'm sure none of y'all did, it looks like the Etch-a-Sketch on Joey and Chandler's door. Now, how cool is that? That is really neat. Yeah, I'm really happy with this box. I really, really, really am. Like I said, this box comes quarterly. Every 3 months, you get a box. And like I said, you get 7 to 10 items. It just depends. I mean, like last time, I think I got like 8 items, 9 items. I don't know. The marker even says friends on it. So, let's see. Oh, yeah, it writes really good on here too. Oh, I'm really, really happy about this. And it's a magnet. So that's going to go on my fridge. Nice, nice, nice. The only critique I have about any of this is I think the whiteboard, Dear John, they should have made the marker magnetic as well. That way you could stick it on the fridge with your whiteboard. But hey, that's all right. That is cool. Very, very cool. And so after I get all of this unpacked and unloaded, all the empty boxes that came in the box, I put back in the box. And I also put in the card that it came with as well. I just think it's neat that you keep it, you know? All right, so what it does is it tells you on the back what items you got. So we got 7 in this box this time. It does not give you a price, no. All right, well that's okay, but at least it tells you what it is. And then if you want, go online, do some research, see if you can find these items. That's what I do. It's kind of fun. Because they're supposed to be, they claim, exclusive. So there you go. Well, thank you for joining me, Crap Fire. We got to unbox it finally. I am so excited. I want y'all to know that I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. Like and share my videos. Ring my bell. And everybody have a blessed day and be kind to each other.